Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new profile on Netflix. So if you guys are still confused how you can add a new profile to your Netflix account, I'm going to show you. So open the Netflix app first on my phone. Okay, so here is the Netflix, and here you don't need to go to your profile first. You can just click on new profile here, click on add profile, and then here you can just make a new profile. For example, Michael, and then you can also change the profile picture or choose the icon. For example, okay, this one's right here. And if it is for a kids profile, you can just turn this on like this. It is made for kids under 12, and the parents have all control, but it is for you. You can just inactivate this and click on save, and just like that, the new profile has been added in your Netflix, and you can just use it right away. Okay, so you can also add a new profile when you open the Netflix. You can just click on your profile here and click on add profile to add a new profile in the Netflix. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.